All right, so for practice problem 1, let's see how you did, okay? So the first thing you have to do is figure out what are we going to multiply by. We only have one digit after the decimal, so we should be multiplying by 10. Hopefully you got that step right. So when I multiply by 10, all of my decimals just move over. So this is negative 28n equals, there's a 1 right here. So instead of 1, it's going to be 10, right? Because if I move it over and nothing is there, that means add a 0. Don't forget the n, and then plus 342. That's what the equation is without the decimals. Now we solve it like normal. I need to get my variables on the same side. I'm going to choose this 10 n to get rid of. And I'm going to do that on both sides. That gives me negative 38n equals 342. Now I'm going to isolate the variable. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 38. And you should get n equals negative 9. Definitely, you can use a calculator for those bigger numbers, just so it can go by faster for you. So my answer, make sure you put it in the box, is negative 9. We're going to check it on the next slide. So how do I know that's right? When you check, you're going to rewrite the original equation, but instead of n's, we're going to put parentheses, okay? That lets us know that's where we need to plug something in. What are we plugging in? The answer. I think the answer is negative 9. So now I'm going to multiply. Negative 2.8 times negative 9 is going to give me positive 25.2. And then, oh, I messed up here. This is 34.2. And then negative 9 plus 34.2 is also 25.2. I don't know if y'all can hear these people in the hallway. It's 8th graders. Y'all are too loud. So since I have the same number on both sides, I put a check. It checks out. And that's it. Up here, I just wanted you to put what you were multiplying by. We did that already. So now you're going to try practice problem 2, and then you will check your work to see how you did.